guys, so today we'll be looking at this. This is the brand new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G model. So I pre-ordered mine and it came with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro as well as the Smart Tag from Samsung. But we're not going to be looking at these today, so we're just going to move them to one side. So looking at the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, what a name. Let's just quickly look at the box. So the first thing you're going to notice is how thin the box is, and the reason they've managed to do that is because they've removed the charger as well as the headphones from the box, copying Apple. And as you will see later on, a lot of the way the Samsung is going is they're following in Apple's suit. So we'll go into that in another video. So just quickly looking at the box, it's just a pretty much black empty box. And it just says it's made in Vietnam, and it just gives you the model. So I've got the European version, so this has the Exynos chip, and what I'll do is I'll leave information in the top corner of a full specs breakdown. So let's just quickly open up the box. So once you remove the security seal, slide the box, and the first thing you see is the phone, and then there's a little tab at the bottom. Pull the tab up, and as you can see, this is the full phone. It does look really big, guys. So this is a 6.8 inch display. They've reduced the size from last year's Ultra, which was 6.9. And they've also removed the Bixby button placement on the right hand side, and they've moved everything to the left. So you have your volume rocker up and down, and your power button, which double taps as a Bixby or secondary button as well. Other than that, there's no headphone jack, there's no micro SD card in this model anymore. So all you get is your SIM card. So your SIM card goes at the bottom. You can put a dual SIM in here, and you've got your Type-C, and you've got your dual firing speakers. So let's just go to the back, and let's just peel this off. And the camera lens, and as you can see, there's the list sticker here. As you can see, this is really nice, guys. So this is a matte black, and it shouldn't leave any fingerprints or very little fingerprints. So as you can see, I am touching it, and unlike with gloss back, you can't notice. It is quite a simple and elegant color. I do really like it, but there will be other modifications that I'll be doing visually to this phone, and I'll be doing videos on those. So just quickly looking at the back, you can see the camera lenses, and I'll leave specs of what each lens does. And that's about it. That's just a quick unboxing of the phone. Other than that, all you get is in here, you get your SIM injection tool. You get your Samsung how-to guide and your warranty. And last but not least, you get a Type-C to Type-C cable for fast charging. But considering I had a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, my one came with an 18-watt fast charger, and it's a Type-C to a USB-A. So I would need to invest in a charger. And that's it, guys. So that was a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and this is the Phantom Black model, and it is really nice. It feels really nice on the hands. It's got that nice matte at the back, and it does come in 5 colors. 2 colors you can get, which are the Phantom Black and the Mystic White. and there are 3 additional colors, but to order those you would have to wait around 3 to 4 weeks from pre-release. So yeah, that's it guys. What I'll be doing next is doing more videos on setting up the phone and other accessories for this phone, so stay tuned guys. Peace out.